Welcome back, everyone, to Rooted in Design. Today, we're going to talk about kitchen and bathroom remodels, two spaces that almost everyone is looking to revamp, refinish, redo, whether you're buying a new property or you've been living in a house for many years. So, let's start with kitchens. Kitchens are the heart of the house, at least to me. That's where you spend a lot of time with family, on holidays, where you spend time making your meals every day. So you want to make sure when you're renovating a kitchen that it really speaks to you and how you cook, how you use the space. And there are a few things I see that are very important that you should have in mind. For one is making the kitchen the size that is good for you. Most old homes have very tiny kitchens, so being able to blow out a wall and making it bigger, creating open concept is really great because you can entertain better, but also have more space for you to cook. And even if you're not a person who cooks a lot, it just looks beautiful too. Another thing is in expanding that kitchen is adding an island that is great for prep work, but it can be also like a little bar for where people are sitting while you're cooking. And what thing I like to add sometimes is a little area where it's almost like a breakfast nook area. So then you're not sitting informally in your dining room all the time. You can use that space in the kitchen to eat on a random Tuesday night. Other elements to think about is storage. Some people love their upper cabinet and having everything in eye level. Other wants it more open with shelving, but not showcase every single item you own. So when you want to do shelving or just open concept in the upper area of the room, we would love to design a pantry that's either hidden or carefully designed to be part of the cabinet layout so you can store your cans, your pots, anything else that you just don't want open for people to look at, but easily access to you. And lastly, I love good natural daylight in kitchens. It's great to see the color of the fruits, the veggies, the foods, and also it wakes you up really like in a happy mood in the morning. So windows over the sink, and if you have an exterior wall where we can do sliding doors, foldable doors, French doors, it would be amazing, and you would feel like you're in an oasis space looking into your backyard when you're cooking and eating. Now let's dive into bathrooms. Sure, you don't spend too many very thoughtful moments in the bathroom, unless you do one like a spa bathroom where you have a stand-alone tub where you sit down on a Friday night after a long week and relax. So whether you want a spa bathroom or just a bathroom that's efficient for you, there's certain elements to consider. So if you want something that's efficient, we want to make sure you pick the right materials, which is something I can help you with in terms of cleanability, aesthetics, and also the flow, how the bathroom is located. Old bathrooms tend to be very efficient and cramped, but adding that little extra space where you walk in and it feels like you're not like turning around and you're stuck trying to go into the shower or sit in the toilet, it really makes a difference for how you experience that space. And if you have kids, you want to make sure it's efficient enough for you to clean and they're not fighting over the how tight that space is when they're trying to brush their teeth. In terms of primary bathrooms, you want to make it that is big and luxurious. I always say do the double sink, have a shower and a tub if you can, and have the space because it will bring return on investment if you're trying to sell the property. And also, it is a great spot-like bathroom for you to use in your downtime. It's not just to go in and out. You can use that tub, as I said, to relax. And in terms of purchasing new homes, when you go look for one, when you're working with Dream Select Realty, again, list the items that align with you. See those homes that have bathrooms that may not be to your liking, but you can see that it can be renovated and we can work and create that space the way you like it. And remembering, sometimes it's just refinishing the finishes. You don't need permits. We can just work together in figuring out what that style is for you. All right. Thank you for listening and can't wait to be back with another episode. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.